What's up, RestoMods Nation? We're here in the shop with our shop truck Blue. You guys are probably familiar with it. It's a 69 GMC 1500. We wanted heating and air conditioning in this truck. This truck does have some monitored amenities already. It's got an LS engine, so we wanted to work off that, and we reached out to our friends at VintageAir, which is a great VintageAir setup is what they sent us. And we really like working with this company, so that's what we're going to be putting in Blue. We're going to walk you through some of the steps and show you how it's done. So we're going to start off by unboxing all these products and show you guys what we got and show you where we're going to start. Okay, so we got everything unboxed and laid out here in the bed of old Blue. Really nice pieces that came from them. You can see this is a complete kit. This is everything you're gonna need. The evaporator kit, all the brackets to hang it, specific brackets for a C10, block off plate for the firewall, cover for the evaporator. You got your ducting, your vents, the compressor, and then the compressor, we've got brackets for the LS engine to run that. Your whole wiring harness is there. Obviously your hose kit, condenser, bunch of hardware for the compressor, bunch of pre-bent lines, your binary switch, and this really nice piece, which is the billet control unit from VintageAir, and that'll fit in the stock location. So we got everything we need to get started here. All right, so we're gonna start here in the engine compartment. First thing I always recommend, familiarize yourself with the instructions. VintageAir has really good instructions. If you're a visual person, there's drawings for everything, packing lists, they're real thorough with all that. So take advantage of that. Don't just throw these out. I know it's tempting, but go through them. And that way, step by step, you don't miss anything. But we're gonna start here. We're gonna take out this old heater box unit and the fan blower motor. Just start by removing that. We won't need that anymore. So here we go. What's up, guys? We just got back from testing our new VintageAir AC system. It's blowing ice cold for us. Big shout out to VintageAir. If you guys are looking to add some modern amenities to your classic car, such as AC, heater, some stuff to get you through those hot or cold months in the year, you can drive your classic year round, make sure you check out VintageAir. Huge shout out to them. This kit went in really easy as per instructions. And if you want to get a chance to win a classic car and put yourself behind the wheel, make sure you get entered to win our current sweepstakes at RestoMods.com.